3,000 Agniveers played a very important role against Pakistan in Operation Sindoor. Now, 3,000 Agniveers deployed in the Indian Army's air defense units gave a befitting reply to Pakistan's missile and drone attacks. Agniveers of just 20 years of age increased the strength of the army. The Agniveers operated air defense systems amid the missile drone attacks and played a very crucial role in 4 important areas like gunner, fire control operator, a radio operator, as well as heavy vehicle driving. My colleague Pradeep Datta is on the broadcast with us. And Pradeep, Agniveer has been at the center of a lot of politicking, unfortunately, but they have also been at the center of India's success in Operation Sindoor. This is a big moment. 3,000 Agniveers were deployed for India's defense, and they did a phenomenal job.
Yes, Pratima, you're absolutely right. In fact, they have given a befitting response not only on the battlefield to Pakistanis, but also to all those people who had been trying to politicize their valor and even their appointment too. You've seen that you said rightly that there had been a lot of politicking when Agniveer were appointed. And these 3,000 Agniveer, they were not only ensuring that the air defense system was intact, but they were also ensured that they were very good in the radio operator, as a radio operator, firefighting, as firefighters also, and also in heavy machinery that they were moving from one place to another place. So far as this Western Front is concerned, we have seen that Western Front had faced the brunt of the Pakistani drone attack and also the missiles and the projectiles they fired. But Indian air defense system was able to make all those drones tumble like piece of metal. But behind those machines, there were 3,000 Agniveer, those who played a very important role. And these Agniveer, as you rightly said, they are in 20s. And you can still see the kind of an experience they had during this Operation Sindoor. For 4 or 5 days, they ensured that Pakistan was not able to penetrate into Indian airspace because they tried their level best, not only to target civilian areas, they also tried their level best to target Indian air bases, military installation, but they failed because these Agniveers were there 24/7, ensuring that they were keeping eye on each and every projectile coming towards Indian side.
Yes, and this is a moment for the opposition leaders to also take note that these are the questions that they had raised about our braves. We have Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP also on the broadcast with us. And Pradeep, in the success story of Operation Sindoor, a big part of it has been played by 3,000 Agniveers who were at the front lines.
Well, this demonstrates how the Congress party had run an entire fake campaign to weaken the resolve of our armed forces. The 3,000 odd Agniveer, barely 20 odd year old, were manning critical weapons. And this was instrumental in India's decisive victory against Pakistan in Operation Sindoor. I believe that Congress party needs to apologize to the people of the country and our armed forces for running a very dangerous, mischievous and a conspiring campaign which wanted to weaken the unity and integrity of India. The modern day warfares are won by armies and forces which are critically equipped with technology, along with having the adequate manpower. I believe that this respected Operation Sindoor, where Agniveers played a very critical role, is a big slap in the face of the entire opposition, which tried to make a nation-first approach as political.